Good morning student, this is Shailesh Kumar and today we will solve question number 9 of exponent. Its heading is simplify. We have to simplify, it means we have to find the values by applying the laws of exponent to these 4 parts of the question number 9. Now let's start with the second part. Now in this question 3 by 5, 3 by 5. It 3 by 5 to the power 3 and 3 by 5 to the power 2. It means 3 by 5 cube and 3 by 5 square. Multiply 1 by 7 cube and 1 by 7 to the power 4. Now, we know if the base is same and the division is here, then we will subtract the powers. So, 3 by 5 will be written as 3 minus 2, as 3 is the power and 2 is the power. And now 1 by 7 cube and 1 by 7 4. Now what we will do? Now as we know, we will write in reciprocal by subtracting 4 minus 3. Now 3 by 5, 3 minus 2 power 1 and 1 over 1 by 7, 4 minus 3 power 1. Now, if the power is 1, then we can write as it is, and here the power is 1, therefore it is 1 by 7. Now, we know this 1 by 7 is the denominator, will be converted to 7 by 1, and now we multiply 3 multiply 1, 3. That multiply 7, that is 21, and 5 multiply 1, that is 5. This is the answer. Now, on the first part, here 3 cube to the power 2 and 9 power 2. Now I will convert this into same base. So 3 cube 2, it means 3 into 2, that is 3 to the 6. 5 power 2 and 9 power 2. I will convert this 9 into expanded form in the terms of product. Now 3 to the 6 multiply 5 square divided by, this is 3 2 times, therefore I can write like this, and 5 is alone, so I will write a power 1. Now you will see this is 3 to the 6 and 5 raised to power 2, and here 2 2s are 4 and 5 2s are 1. Now the bases are same and the division process is going on. So what we will do? We will write 3 in the base and subtract the powers. 2 minus 1, that is 2, and that is 1. 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. Now 9 5s are 45. In this way we can find the answer. Now on third part, this is 12 to the 4. Now 12 can be written as 3 multiply 4, or we can write it 3 multiply 2 and the power is 4. Now 9 can be written as 3 multiply 3 cube, and 4 means 2 multiply 2. Clear? 6 cube mean 2 multiply 3 cube, because 6 is equal to 2 multiply 3, 6. Now 8. 8 means 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 square, and 27 means 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now you will see I have convert each base in the terms of 3 or 2. So here 3 power 1 and 2 square to the power 4, and here 3 square cube 2 power 2. Now it can be written as 2 cube and 3 cube, and it can be written as 2 cube square and 3 cube. Here this will 1 into 4, that is 3 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 8, and this is 3 to the power 6 and 2 to the power 2, and here 2 cube 3 cube 3 into 2 6 and 3 cube. Now we will add the powers with the same base separately in the numerator and denominator. So 3 and here 3 and 3. So I will add the powers of base 3, 4 plus 6. Now 4 plus 6 and 2, 8 plus 2. Now here 2 power 3 and 2 power 6. Therefore I will add 3 plus 6 and 3 plus 3. Clear? Now this implies 3 to the power 10 and 2 to the power 10 and 2 to the power 9 and 3 to the power 6. Now what you will see, 3 to the power 10 and 3 to the power 6. Here these both 3 are in division, so I will subtract the powers, and 10 minus 9, as the 2 has a power 10 and 2 is power 9, both are in division, so 3 to the power 4, 10 minus 6 4, and to the power 1. 3 is multiplying 4 times, 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 and multiply 2. Now on multiplying, 3 3 the 9, 9 3 the 27, 27 3 is a 81, 81 2 is a 162. So the answer is 162. Now this completes our solution part. Now I will solve this question in the same ink. Now 3 to the power 5 and 10 can be written as 2 multiply 5 power 5, and 25 can be written as 5 multiply 5. Now 5 to the power 7 and 6 can be written as 2 multiply 3 to the power 5. Now this is 3 to the power 5 and 2 power 5, 5 to the 5, and here 5 is multiplying 2 times, therefore I can write it 5 square, divided by 5 to the power 7, and this is 2 power 5 and this is 3 to the power 5. Now here you will cut the same terms, 3 to the 5, 3 to the 5, this will be cancelled. Now 2 5 and 2 5, this will be cancelled. Here you will see 5, the having same base, so we will add their powers, and in the denominator 5 to the power 7. So this leads to 5 to the 7 and 5 to the 7. We know its answer is 1. Clear? In this way we have solved all the question of most of the part of the question number 9 under the heading simplification. This is the first question, the second part, and you can see the fourth one, and this part, it starts from here and leads to this answer.